Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Steve in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Steve is a truly unique fighter, bringing the world of Minecraft into the arena. His core gameplay revolves around gathering materials and crafting tools, which directly impacts his strength and abilities. We'll cover how to effectively mine, place blocks, and utilize his diverse moveset to dominate your opponents. Get ready to dig deep and build your way to victory. Steve's mining ability is central to his playstyle. By holding down the neutral special button, you can gather materials like wood, stone, and iron from the stage itself. These resources are crucial for upgrading your tools and weapons. Once you have enough materials, a crafting table will appear, allowing you to forge stronger swords, axes, and pickaxes. Remember, better tools mean more damage and greater reach, so keep mining throughout the match. Steve's offensive game is all about using his tools effectively. Your crafted sword, axe, or pickaxe will be your primary damage dealers, with stronger versions dealing more hits and greater knockback. Don't forget his side special, which allows you to throw a block as a projectile, useful for spacing and edge guarding. His down special summons a minecart, a powerful charging attack that can carry opponents off the stage. Mix these attacks for unpredictable pressure. Defense and recovery are vital for Steve's survival. His neutral special isn't just for mining. You can also place blocks to create temporary shields against incoming attacks or to block off parts of the stage. These blocks are also incredibly useful for recovery, allowing you to build a path back to the ledge from far below. His up special, the Elytra, provides excellent aerial mobility, letting you glide back to safety. Master these techniques to stay in the fight longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.